with me. Now, there's more news coming in. Now, the Supreme Court is set to shortly hear the petition filed by the Supreme Court Bar Association seeking criminal contempt action against Advocate Rakesh Kishore for hurling an object which appeared to be a rolled-up sheaf of paper at Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai, who was presiding in court on October the 6th. The case will be heard by a bench of justices, Surya, Kant and Joymalya Bagchi. Attorney General R. Venkatraman had given consent to initiate contempt proceedings. I have my colleague Sambhav back with me. Sambhav, what more can you tell us about this particular story?
Well, in this hearing has been just concluded before the bench of Justice Surya Kant and Justice Joymalya Bagchi, and here the Solicitor General has said, Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta has said that he stands with the bar, but if petition comes, it's up to the Supreme Court. It's up to the Supreme Court's discretion, and also, but Justice Surya Kant has mentioned here that how long they will be able to commercialize it, as in this kind of incidents widely reported everywhere. So the moment this particular matter comes up, Justice Surya Kant has said this, but Supreme Court Bar Association's president, SCBA's president Rakesh Singh has argued in the Supreme Court that the strict action should be taken this particular lawyer Prashant Kishore, and the Bar Council and the Supreme Court Bar Association has already taken action, and now it is the time for the Supreme Court to take action, so that an image there is a question mark on the image of the Supreme Court that must not arise. So this is what is said by Supreme Court Bar Association President Rakesh Singh. But Supreme Court has, in a way, not inclining to take action against this particular lawyer, Rakesh Kishore, who allegedly hurled a shoe at the Chief Justice of India. And now it is to be seen on the next date of hearing what will happen. But so far, Supreme Court has not initiated any contempt proceeding against this particular lawyer. This is what is the latest in this case, just now concluded in the Supreme Court.
Thanks, Sambhav, for joining me with all those details. And now moving on. Now, Delhi Police Special Cell had recently arrested a suspected terrorist, revealing some significant information during interrogation. It had been found that suspected ISIS terrorist Adnan was targeting several religious sites, including the Ram Temple. The anti-terror squad officials are continuously questioning him about his plans to target religious sites in Uttar Pradesh. According to sources, the ATS is investigating how many times he visited Uttar Pradesh and which cities he visited. I have my colleague Abhishek Singh joining me with more details. Now, Abhishek, very important news there about this particular person. What can you tell us?
Yes, few days back, recently, the special cell of Delhi police has arrested Adnan, who is an ISIS terrorist and was brainwashed by the ISIS leaders who were in Syria, and many of the videos were recovered from him. Also, during his interrogation, many of the things came out, and under that investigation, only an ATS